Alright guys, what is going on today? Huge day, very exciting day. We are getting the new cam and the ported heads installed. We're headed to Steve's shop, be there about 8 a.m. It's Saturday morning. And you know, everything's gonna be done today. We'll have a first startup at the end of the video. And yeah man, I've been waiting for this for a little bit. Very excited. The heads finally came in. I got the ones I wanted from the beginning. The cam's been in for about a month, a little more than a month, so we just had to wait for Steve to open up. He had a lot of other jobs and lined up ahead of me, which is fine, no big deal. But we couldn't do it anyway because I got the ported heads now. So we're headed there, and let's get started. Starting to come apart.
Oh, you got that on camera, huh?
Yeah, of course. Running over Toyotas. Alrighty. Well,
we haven't got shit done.
no, we haven't. Steve's bullshitting. He don't want to do it today, but I told him he has to.
There's no other opportunity.
Yep. You already delayed me 6 months. No, I'm just kidding.
Did not delay you 6 months. A fucking week.
A week.
A week. Because I was sick.
Yes. I've said that in the last video. Taking her apart, Steve?
Uh-huh. Again?
Again. Yeah. He has dual though.
It's not ready to come off.
That's a video, dude.
I could just rip your injector wires off, then it'll be ready to come off. We're not doing that.
No.
Let me go see who called.
Alright.
Hopefully Mike's got my number.
Alright, the manifold's out. We're getting there, fellas. We're getting there. Me and Steve are talking too much, so not moving as fast. But it is getting there.
I figured out it's much easier doing this under the wheel well.
I figure, I saw that. Yeah, I noticed you. Instead of getting all up under it and stuff, a little bit easier. It does definitely looks like it's easier to do it from there.
I did the last one like this because I didn't feel like climbing up under the hood.
You're learning,
It's
Steve.
like-
You're learning now.
It's like, oh wow.
Finding out what's easier for yourself.
What the fuck does it look like?
So pleasant.
I just like breaking his balls.
I don't know what you're doing, Steve. You have to talk to the camera.
Wheel well. Right after I get that ball off. Just a pain in the ass. Gotta get the head off to get the ball off the back of it.
There's one.
Oh. Hands are fucking dirty. Plus it helps to push all the fluid out.
wish I knew what the fuck he was looking at.
Timing marks. So close. All right.
Out with the old.
Eventually, but you get it to get past a couple things. There we go.
Put it in the shipping box.
There we go.
Oh. Makes my back feel awesome.
For sale. Actually, it's somewhat sold. Unless someone more money you offer me, the better.
Looks good.
Looks good. All right. That's what I like to hear.
Usual wear. A little bit. Usual wear.
Yeah.
Nothing crazy.
Oh shit.
Oh my God.
You're such a good luber.
Uh-huh. That's what she said.
This is the new cam. The new boomstick. The new I'ma fuck your day up.
Your back alright, Steve?
Oh, it hurts.
I can rub it for you.
No thank you, Tito. Not while I'm bent over like this. I feel very vulnerable.
You should.
Hold him down.
I do time down here, the east side.
I gotta hopefully edit all that out.
Ready. Got that wrench? Cool. There.
Oh, man.
That looking nicer than the first one.
Oh, the first one was a bitch to get in. I remember that. Yeah.
Yeah.
On this. You definitely got that down now, Steve.
Yeah, it took me a while.
I should have seen the first time. He was dead. He was flipping out. Ah, you are flipping out,
My
but
hand was
your hand was killing you. Yeah. He's like, what the hell? The springs going on the new heads. You want me to get them out and ready for you, Steve?
We got a couple minutes.
All right.
I'm ready for one.
No problem. Did I give you the same head anyway? Or no?
Don't matter, the universal side.
Oh, okay.
Side.
They are universal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I didn't know.
Same part number.
Gotcha.
I know that because I replaced it
Yeah.
several times.
Oh, I know. I just didn't know if they were universal or not.
Thank you, sir. These things are taped on here good. You just need to do a little bit of cleanup. But looks good.
It's crazy how clean they look compared to the motor.
I know. Motor's been through hell and back.
Yep.
Still kicking.
What are you doing, Steve?
See, what's that?
A lot of money.
Steve buttoned up the little finished touches. Track intake's on. Just got to put the air intake on. The front grille. Look at my man. He's
Sweat my ass off.
sweating his ass off. I hold it up. It's like, there you go.
You act like I don't know how it goes on.
No. Because if you don't hold it up, it'll go and it'll hit this. See?
Yeah, it's not tight yet.
Oh, sorry. Well, man, I made this track intake. I know how it goes.
Find the hole.
Find the hole, drill it in.
Alright. I have to put oil in it still.
Alright, guys. We're at the last stages of the day. It got dark out. Ran into a boo-boo. Easily got fixed. We're putting in the tune for the stage 2 cam. And then we're going to be firing this up. And the cutout is off, so we will be firing it with the cutout off. And we're going to hear how loud and awesome this thing sounds. Well, boys and girls, cam install is done. Everything is looking good. Cutout is back off. Back on. And we're looking good. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.